What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best fuel injector cleaner on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered for more information on the products. I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. Chevron Techron Fuel System Cleaner is unbeatable in cleaning the entire fuel system and restoring lost power and performance caused by deposit buildup. Cleans deposits from fuel injectors, carburetors, ports, valves, and combustion chambers, works in one tankful while you drive to reduce deposit-related engine knock, ping, run-on, and cold start problems. Recommended for use every 3,000 miles, 20 Oz. Bottle. What is Techron? Techron is an additive technology that works to get the most out of your engine thanks to our patented fuel additive technology, which is trusted by motorists, mechanics, and auto manufacturers the world over. You can use Techron, and when you do, it will clean your engine, leading to better performance, lower emissions, and maximum fuel economy. What does it do? Engines are designed to work at their best when they are clean, and modern engines are designed to work with finer tolerances and at higher temperatures. Techron works molecule by molecule to prevent deposit formation, and in the case of deposits left behind by low-quality gasoline, works to remove those deposits. How does it work? Techron is proven to be effective at keeping both modern and older engines clean. The result is maximum power, lower emissions, and maximized fuel economy. There have been significant advances in engine design, including hybrid and direct injection spark ignition technologies. These engines are designed to work at their best when they are clean. Even microscopic amounts of engine deposits can adversely affect performance. Optimize your MPG. Every time you fill your tank, you expect to drive a certain amount of miles on it. An engine that's caked with deposits makes your engine work harder, less efficiently every mile. So next time, use Techron Concentrate Plus to help ensure maximum fuel economy. But keep it clean. Fact is, gasoline is a mixture of hydrocarbons, including ethanol and other impurities. As it travels through your car's fuel system, harmful carbon deposits can form on critical engine parts. Techron helps remove these deposits, restoring lost power and performance. In our list, the number 4 product name is Redline Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Designed to exceed expectations, Redline Complete CI1 Fuel System Cleaner treatment for cleaning and preventing corrosion in fuel systems. Perform and protect fuel additive, cleans injectors, carburetors, valve, and combustion chamber deposits with a powerful concentrated blend of high temp and low temp detergents. Efficient fuel burn gas treatment that enhances gasoline stability while reducing the buildup of gum and varnish formation. Easy to use 1 bottle per tank for most effective treatment. Additive cleans nearly 100% efficiency in one treatment. 1 15-ounce bottle. Cleans injectors, carburetors, valve, and combustion chamber deposits with a concentrated blend of the most powerful high temp and low temp detergents available. Cleans all forms of fuel injectors, including GDI. Enhances fuel stability, reduces gum and varnish formation. Use 1 bottle per tank for most effective treatment. Cleans to nearly 100% efficiency in one treatment. Reduces need for octane by up to 2 points. Contains synthetic upper cylinder lubricant. Cleans pollution control valves. Suitable for use with oxygenated fuel. Safe for continual use. In our list, the number 3 product name is Cataclean Complete Engine Fuel System Cleaner. Mr. Gasket Cataclean is a fuel and exhaust system cleaner that reduces carbon buildup and cleans your vehicle's catalytic converter, oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, and cylinder heads. Cataclean does not alter fuel composition and is safe for gasoline, diesel, and hybrid engines. Testing at an independent emissions testing facility showed using Cataclean can lower your total hydrocarbon emissions by up to 50%. Performance results are dependent on driver habits and vehicle condition. Cataclean to fix drivability issues such as power reduction, hesitation, and hard starts as a pre-treatment before an emissions test or to extend the life of your vehicle engine. Using Cataclean may help to avoid the replacement of costly oxygen sensors or your vehicle's catalytic converter. If you have to replace your catalytic converter, use Cataclean with the installation to extend its life. Cataclean is easy to use, simply pour in your fuel tank. Cataclean is 50-state legal and complies with VOC including California and OTC regulations, as well as federal low-sulfur content requirements for use in diesel motor vehicles and non-road engines. For optimum performance and protection, use Cataclean 4 times a year. Made in the USA. In our list, the number 2 product name is STP Ultra 5-in-1 Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer. STP Ultra 5-in-1 Fuel System Cleaner and Fuel Stabilizer is scientifically engineered using advanced cleaning technology to keep all your engines running in top form. It contains 3x the amount of cleaning agents vs the leading premium gasoline to remove an average of 61% of harmful intake valve deposits and restore an average of 95% of the original injector performance. This product also contains fuel stabilizer to help keep fuel fresh during storage. Compatible with gasoline engines 2-4-stroke, inclusive of boats, motorcycles, and lawnmowers. One bottle contains 3x by weight the amount of cleaning agents compared to 20 gallons of the leading premium gasoline. Average result of 6 modified ASTM D5500 and D6201 tests. Results based on ASTM D5598. Formulated to help save gas and lower emissions by deep cleaning the entire fuel system. Formulated to help restore peak performance and reduce friction by lubricating engine parts. Formulated to help prevent ethanol deposits and inhibit corrosion. Works with modern gasoline engines, such as turbo, direct inject, and hybrid vehicles. Compatible with capless gas systems. In our list, the number 1 product name is Gumout High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner. Gumout High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner is specially formulated to remove carbon deposits from engines with over 75,000 miles for restored engine performance and fuel economy. The more an engine is driven, the more carbon deposits can build up. Gumout High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner is designed for high mileage vehicles, cleaning fuel injectors, intake valves, and ports to restore performance and fuel economy and reduce emissions. High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner also prevents future carbon buildup on indirect fuel injectors, intake valves and ports, and combustion chamber. It is oxygen sensor safe and also safe for use in turbocharged and supercharged vehicles. It will not void OEM manufacturers. Directions: add entire bottle to nearly empty gasoline tank, then fill tank with up to 21 gallons of gasoline. For best results, do not refill tank until near empty. Use every 3,000 miles. The more an engine is driven, the more carbon deposits can build up on fuel injectors, intake valves, and ports. Gumout High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner is specially formulated to remove carbon deposits from engines with more than 75,000 miles. Cleans fuel injectors, intake valves, and ports to restore performance, fuel economy, and prevents future carbon buildup, which reduces emissions. Oxygen sensor safe and safe for use in turbocharged and supercharged vehicles. Recommended use every 3,000 miles and will not void OEM manufacturer's warranty.